So today is Sunday and this is the day of my race. I'm doing the 10k. I'm in wave 4, unless I can sneak into wave 3 of course. So yeah, I can't sleep. I heard all the 50 kilometre runners, ultra runners running past at about 10 past 6 this morning, past the van. It's still really nice though. So just getting ready, gonna put my bag in the bag drop and everything else. So heading for the boat over the road. I'm not sure where the boat for the runners is. So just waiting to board the boat and hopefully get across to the starting point, which shouldn't be too long. So let's have a look at the route. So as you can see, it starts on the west side of the lake. You head south. Okay, I found the whole distance to be about 10.86 kilometres at a total ascent of around 253 metres. Okay, so you turn around and double back on yourself about a bit further higher up on the mountain, heading towards Pontiscale and then back towards Keswick. I'm just doing a vlog on it as well.
Oh, hello.
Hello, everyone runner here. Sorry, I'm not running. Gail. So yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it is. It's going to be great, isn't it? So yeah, just heading to the start.
Need to get yourself here next time, it's lovely.
I know. It is brilliant, isn't it? Look forward to the race. I'm going to put a time lapse on like I normally do. And just see how it goes. Not actually going to run this for a time because you can't really, because it's a difficult one to do 4 times. And secondly, I'm not an elite runner anyway, as we all know. I don't know if you can see that, but it's halfway up the hill. See the runners are coming along. Let's just zoom back so you can see how far it is up. Okay, so that puts it in perspective on how high they are. And obviously you're going to be running along the top there.
Going along the lake shore that way, either side of Laura and Marshall, we've got both those gates open for you. Then it follows along the lakeshore path for about 1.25 miles before you then peel off the path and head uphill slightly, where you join a
So that's the Keswick Mountain Festival 10k done. Really hot out there, but enjoyed it. I'm pleased it's finished. I've just rehydrated myself, and I think the next thing to do is have a pint. Sounds good enough to me. I tell you what, I take my hat off to all those 25 and 50 kilometre runners. I really do, because that was hard enough. Right, so that's a wrap. I'll speak soon. See you on my next parkrun vlog.